Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is JoJo and I'm going to be showing you this makeup look today. First off, I'm applying primer. This one's by Bare Minerals. I'm going to make sure that I have a good foundation before I apply my concealer. Now I'm applying foundation, and I'm only going to apply a thin layer, blending that in all seamlessly and not forgetting to blend down to the neck. I'm using my Kat Von D concealer in a very light shade. I'm doing this because I want my eyeshadow colors to pop. Who knew someone would make a pizza palette? It has 18 delicious toppings, and what do you know? The shades are very pigmented. First, I'm applying the shade Garlic all over my eyelid. Then dipping into the color Bacon, I'm going to use a flat brush to apply this over my eyelid and reaching to the outer crease of my eyes. Then I'm carefully using a concealer brush with concealer on it and making a cut crease carefully and stopping near just a little bit past the mid-center of my eyelid. For the cut crease, I'm dipping into the color Pineapple. I thought this would be a great shade to pair with the red tint. Then going back into Bacon, I'm trying to blend the outer corner into the gold shimmer shade. For a deeper cut crease, I'm using a mix of pepperoni and marinara in the outer corner. I'm blending that into the shade Bacon. I decided to go with an add a pop of color, so with hot sauce, I'm applying that to my lower lash line with this pencil brush. And you want to make sure to wing that out a little bit. Moving on to contour, I'm using my NYX Wondersticks in the shade Deep, and I'm outlining it under my cheekbone, my jawline, and my nose bridge. Then I'm going in with Benefit's Hoola Bronzer and using that to blend out my contour. And if it gets too dark, no worries, just use a beauty blender to diffuse the color. For my nose contour, I love using this flat but dense brush to blend out my contour lines on my nose. It helps a lot with the shape, but also not spreading out the product. Now it's time to set. So usually this brush I use to highlight, but I noticed when I used it for setting my face, it's a lot more gentler and it applies the product very well compared to my beauty blender. I'm applying the setting powder in places where I get really oily, which is around my T-zone, around my nose, and under my cheekbones. We're almost there. I'm using a NYX lip liner, and the shade is close to my lip color. I'm doing this so I can create the illusion that I have larger and wider lips. Then I'm going in with a darker shade. This one is by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm just outlining near the outer portions of my lips, near the mid-center of my lip, and just lightly shading near the outer corners of my bottom lip. For this look, I wanted the lips to be on the neutral side. Because the eyeshadow is already packed with so much color, I decided to go with a lip color that has a nude shade, but also with a pinkish undertone. Before we wrap up, I'm going to brush off this setting powder with a very fluffy and wide brush. This highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of my favorites when I want to create a dewy and luminous makeup look. And to finish off the look, I'm applying some lashes, and these are from Eden Lashes in the name Heartbreaker. This is the final look, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you did like my content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.